Here's how you can enable the accessibility menu shortcut for Xiaomi phones with HyperOS 3. So if you're looking to have yourself a quick access that can appear like this here and access toggles such as the volume lock screen and a few more, this is going to be found in the accessibility settings. So I'll show you how to get there. Let's go ahead and get started. So it's already on in my case, so I'll go ahead and go into the quick access, tap on settings. And once you're here, you want to go down until you see additional settings right there. Then look for accessibility right here. And as you're here, you're going to look for accessibility menu, this one, the one that says menu. So go ahead and tap on that and turn it on. Now I'll turn mine off so you can see for yourself that what's going to happen in most cases. Usually once you turn it on, you're going to get that prompt like this here. And if you go with allow, which you have to, you're going to be able to just press got it, and that's going to have that little toggle right there, or customize the button. Now, selecting customize the button here is basically going to give you options on how you can access this right here in terms of the layout, right? So you got it to either here, this little floating icon, or the original with the little icon down here. When you tap on it, that's going to show like that there, okay? So if you wanted that, that's up to you, okay? And then you got the size of it, fade in when not into use, and transparency. Now I'll come out of here one more time, and I'll come out of here once more again. Now there is going to be a different way of accessing the accessibility menu shortcut when you have the navigation gestures enabled, which is most likely holding down the volume keys up and down together for 3 seconds, and that's going to access it for you, like and sub.